convert this egg into a unicorn. I will convert to this egg Minions, my favorite character. Come on guys, I will convert this egg into a minion. Let's get started. Stick the tape around the egg. Take yellow color and paint it on the top of the egg. Take blue color and paint it below the egg. Let it dry. Remove the tape. Take googly eyes and stick it. Draw a smiley. Take a black thread and stick it as a hair. Draw the belt. Draw the minion symbol G. Okay, done. Now I'll show how to convert an egg into an unicorn. Take a piece of paper and make it a cone. Stick it with the help of sellotape. Now take a glitter tape and stick it on the cone. Cut the extra part of the cone. Stick it on the top. In the same way, you can make a small tail and stick it over here. Next, take googly eyes and stick it. Take some color threads and stick it over here. Wow, very cute. Did you like this? Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.